Tomatoes are packed with nutrients and offer numerous health benefits. They are a rich source of vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for maintaining good health. Tomatoes also contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect against certain types of cancer. Including tomatoes in your diet can promote heart health and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight management. Tomatoes are known to improve skin health and help prevent skin aging due to their high vitamin C content. They also support eye health and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Tomatoes have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating tomatoes into your meals is an easy and delicious way to boost your overall health. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some fresh tomatoes.